Hello job seeker. Welcome to VDOHire demo for the job seeker. In this demo, we would be covering how the candidate can apply and appear for video interview using VDOHire. In order to appear and apply for interview using VDOHire, the candidate would need to log into VDOHire.com. Once logged in and on the website page, you would need to click on Login for the job seeker. If you are a first-time user, you would need to register yourself as a new user, and then you can directly log in using your email ID and your password. As I have already registered myself, I would be using my login ID to show you the demo. So let's get started. So after logging in, you would be able to see this home page. So this is the dashboard for the job seeker. Here on the dashboard, as you can see, there is certain information available for the job seeker. The information is on how many jobs have been applied, how many jobs have been viewed by the job seeker, for how many jobs he has been shortlisted, and for how many jobs he has been rejected. In order to apply and appear for the interview, the candidate would need to paste the job code in this job code box. The job code would be sent to the job seeker by the company via email, SMS, or a call. Once the job seeker receives the job code, he needs to copy and paste the job code in this given box. I have already received my job code and my job code is ready with me, so I will be pasting it here. Once you have entered the job code, click on the right arrow button. It will direct you to another page where you would be able to see the job description and the company description. This being a demo company, most of the information has been created for the demo account. You can also save for later in case you're not ready to appear for the interview process. Once you click on Save for Later, you will be directed towards the dashboard. Here you will be able to see the saved job in Saved Jobs. Whenever you come back and feel like applying and appearing for the interview, you can click on Save Job and the job you have saved. You can also see that the application process for this position consists about an interview question with 2 questions with a total answering time of 2 minutes 15 seconds and an assessment with 3 questions which are multiple choice questions, and a total of 1 minute time for all 3 questions would be provided. Once ready, you need to click on Apply. Once clicked on Apply, you would be directed to the page where you can see the general guidelines. You need to ensure that the interview that you are taking is being taken in a quiet, distraction-free area with a good lighting. You need to make sure that your head and your shoulders are centered in front of the camera. You need to check your webcam so that audio and video function are working correctly. So click on Test Webcam and start test recording. You can see here that I have started my test recording. Once satisfied, I would stop the recording. You can see here that I have started my test recording. I would start my interview. Clicking on Start Interview would direct you to a new window where you can see that the question has appeared on your screen. There's a time frame of 9 seconds provided to prepare for the question. Once the time is over, the video interview would automatically start and you can answer your question here right now. Once satisfied with your answer, you can click on I am done. This would upload your question on the server and redirect you towards the next question. Once your video interview has been completed and been successfully uploaded on the server, You will be then directed towards the assessment. Assessment is an optional part. It is not necessary that the company would be providing an assessment. They could be a part of the video interview with assessment or only the part of a video interview. Assessment will start only after the video interview is over. You would see general guidelines and rules for this same. The timer is for full assessment and not for each question, and you can move next and previous and change your answers within the stipulated time. So let's start the assessment. So as you can see, there are multiple choice questions and I need to select one correct answer from the following. This here you can see is the time, which is 1 minute in this case of assessment. I'm randomly choosing all the answers. Once done, the assessments would be submitted and be saved on the server. Once the assessments are completed, VDOHire would now ask you to upload your traditional resume. You can choose a new resume by browsing into your computer, or if you are a pre-user and have already applied for the interview, you would be shown your pre-registered resumes here. You can click here and the resume will automatically be submitted. The same process you can apply and appear for the interviews with different companies. This was the demo on how to apply and appear for the video interview using VDOHire.